Yes. Waga video na wage go vera no so Eddy Mofi. Eddy Mofi na gba upo wodo. Bere we enia. Bere tu mu apa ne gbo efo a. Eddy Mofi be disgrace ku disgrace. E disgrace ku ne gbewe. E o ku ni edugbunu kire Eddy Mofi da Hausa. E disgrace no wa. E o wa geleki. Okay, we are so aware now. Okay, we are so aware now. We are mujani ado janwe. Ni kwe muno gboruan. We wo pia we ki pia gbon we kini ha. Wa wo kan ni. Emi ni an wa be na. Ya gbon kan wa. Abe we are on Facebook. Eri wa ka as musician see Facebook more than 4 years. Normal for water. Ibere kino de ade musician no si na denu ya gbon kan we wa kan abe ne kwemu o ma eche boni ro kan we na o tie ni unu gba we eche boni ju Eddy Mofi unu gba we eche boni so kan eche boni ju e no na amura ro vie tete gbe Facebook idenu we na gwa be yiwa idebe no e video ni so bo na kota unu gba me iju me kan gbe bo gbe Eddy Mofi ya mo bogbuju amugbe deko weja kemebe na ya mo bogbuju we na amugbe deko kaso unwe ma obo mebe na Eddy Mofi jo wa kemedia agba ma we na iwe ni to drop e no to hewe ya mo bogbu o he amugbuju we unu gbadi esaka eche boni ju we de ni ayo na enia we na ope agbon Eddy Mofi when I we agbon o ma se no ya settle with orun awe there's on we orun we gbagui ni ozi egbe na wo ya mu ebo gbetegbe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, the people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Prophet Atiti talk show. Prophet Atiti say if they come later, come give a pa Eddy Mofi. He said because of wetin happened that yesterday, all of them dey disappointed for wetin a pa do yesterday. Una know say your own choice and my choice not be the same. So people dey vex. I'm not saying know how the rest of una go still reason the matter, because many people dey vex say a pa not do that judgment way yesterday. The way a party settled with Monica, so many people dey vex put the way Enogie settled them. People dey vex say Enogie let Monica dey insult a part for a platform. You know just do am well at all, you know. So many talk. So Atiti say a part no dey behave like senior person. Only where me just know say a person do wrong be say, as you want to that set, you just settle your own. As you want to mention Lolo name join am, and that part let me feel say you still wrong in a way. You understand? They said the two of them, they were two friends before. These two friends come quarrel. This one they say this one go jogodo. The other one they say the other one go jogodo. Okay. Now then they say make they go swear. Monica say Lolo must follow and go swear before you go swear. For me, that one is wrong. If you want swear, you can swear on your own. Because two of them are not married to the same man. You can swear on your own. Swear for your husband side. Say you not do one. She too. Your husband go see drag her, go do it you. Two of them not go swear for the same place. You understand? Everybody go swear you. Now so me I see am. Me I not see make this one go drain me swear. If you know say you not really do your mind clear, go do your own. This one go do you. You understand? Hey. Only be presenters for the verse for a pa na BC. A pa, you na matured man. You don't be small pikin again. At least person whether they 50-something years, not be small pikin again. You understand? You said to finish, you begin to mention Lolo name. If you want your saga Lolo, pa just do one. No, we know say you want saga. Avec na do ami a pa Lolo must go swear. Lolo, no, don't they put must join and not be forced. Lolo husband, as far as saying in they okay with the matter, not the quarrel. So and Monica home too. You understand? I'm gonna leave these people. Now when they drag this matter, let me this matter not gree finish for ground. Two friends wey play for 10 years. Now one time me say there is no time wey good they take day in a good test together. They may wear the same cloth together. Now so friendship can be. I get friends for you, I get bestie. This my bestie, we dey wear the same cloth. I would dey quarrel. We don't quarrel, we say 1 year plus, we don't talk to each other. We don't see they play again now. You understand? So I believe that this thing because it's just enter social media, they for don't settle themselves. Two friends, you go turn everybody for social media. Now so I been more take a busy social media presenter. I put the video where Atiti talk. Thank you, my darling people. Please more let me share the video. Bye.
Yes. Waga video na wage go vera no so be the mofi. The mofi na gba upo wodo. Bege we enia. Bege tu mu apa ne gbo efo a. The mofi be disgrace you disgrace. A disgrace you ne gbe we. O kini edugbo no kere the mofi da Hausa. A disgrace no wa. O wa geleki. Okay, we are so aware now. Okay, we are so aware now. Why me Jani ado Janwe? Nikwe muno gboruan. We wo pia we ke pia gbon we kinia. Wa wo kan ni, emi ni an wa be na. Ya gbon kan wa. Abe we are on Facebook. Eri wa ka as musician see Facebook more than 4 years. Normal photo. Ibere ke no de ade musicians no si na de nu ya yagmo kan we wa wo kan abe ne kwemu o ma eche bonero wo kan we na o tie ni unu gba we eche boni ju adi mofi unu gba we eche boni so kan eche boni ju e no na amura ro vie tete gbe Facebook ide nu we na gwa be yiwa ide we no e video ni so bona kota unu gba me iju me han gbe gbe di mofi ya ma bogbujo amugbe deko weja kemebe na ya ma bogbujo we na amugbe deko kaso unwe ma obo mebe na di mofi jo wa kemedia agba ma we na iwe ni to drop e ro to hewe ya ma bogbo he amugbujo we unu gbadi security boni ju we de mi ajo na henia we na ope agbon e di mofi when I open agbon o ma se no ya settle with orun awe there's one we orun we gbagui ni ozi egbe na wo ya mu ebo gbedegbe unu gba wi e tie boni ju gbede me de be na ya yagbon kan we ke deko ke ya me ya mu ebo gbe be na kiju eni e di mofi wajo wa ke media because e bege we iyan mu we eju bio o yan ke mu were ge wo kan Facebook o kan na ge Facebook o kan na ge igbe aga o kan ki e di mofi when we concerning him when we ship low say ba me ko de nu gwa lo ke me nu no ku we kian awona wo kan to fe yin wa Facebook e ma no ge na tata Julie lodun Felicia Pamare iyan egbewe nuana awoku we awe no ka so anfe bo ye no gegele ka we we ni e ba me gele no good of bo e ba me gele no good of bo me no ke bi aso wa we na ya so nwina o me ke ari si no ma re so nwina wa si wa se de me fi na ge ori agbori ani wa se de video na ge ori agbori ani ide na we na ide na di mo fi da o sa we na ya yagbon kan oni no ga wo kan ti on no ga wo kan ti en rere ma gba ni o me no re Germany na di mo fi da o sa kini ya kan be na bueno yo wa kan be ja be na ibi e do wa ga ge go fera wa ki an se pe o ke bi aso wa ya so wina na